Gold against US dollar yesterday has created a bullish candle, where the candle has closed the day above this very important resistance level, which is around 2514, which was mentioned several days ago, because the price could not make a clean breakout above this price level and then continue to rise in value. Yesterday the price has formed this small bullish candle body with a larger wick on the upper side, which means there was a bullish attempt from the price in order to continue to rise in value and reach the next level, which was 2550.00. Now we can see that this day has started with this bearish candle where the price started to fall down, and we can see that currently the price for several days cannot find a clear way outside of this area. This is a small range area between 2514 and below that it is 2502. Now the price is trying to make again the small bearish breakout, reaching again lower side of this range area, and then what is very important is to wait until the price makes a way outside of this range area. That means I was expecting that the price will continue to rise in value this day because of this bullish breakout, and this is something that it is still possible, but we'll see what happens, because also this bullish breakout could be invalidated with the second candle, which means this day if it returns back down, this means it will continue to fall down in the opposite direction, which is also possible. But this is something I will watch on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, because there is much more visible to see what are the very important levels in the daily basis to see when the breakout happens and in which direction the price should go. This yesterday candle has been formed, and this is indication for me that there is still bullish power here to push the price again to the higher price levels and reach all-time high price level. But this is something that I need to wait and see the clear signal. Now I'm waiting for the price to make a clean breakout above very important resistance level, which is again 2514 on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. These are the levels I'm watching on the daily basis with the traders inside the Telegram group. The link will be below in the description. So for now I'm expecting to see the price to move outside of this range area. Will it move below or it will move above this price level? This is something I will watch on the lower time frames and share with the details. When there is a breakout above or below this level, there are also certain levels that the price could reach, but before, if the price goes down, this is the next level, 2484 as a support level. And above that, if the price goes above that, it will be around this area here, which is also a highest price that the price has reached in the previous week. So for now, if you would like also to check the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, the small levels, the support and the resistance on the smaller time frame, feel free to join the Telegram group. The link will be below in the description. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.